Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate a Cricket wireless eSIM and get your phone connected in just a few simple steps. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to just simply make sure that your phone is eSIM compatible. It should be unlocked and it should also be connected to the Wi-Fi network. If you are bringing your own phone, it's also a good idea to verify that it is compatible with the Cricket network before starting the activation. Now, if you have purchased your Cricket plan, you just have to simply go to the settings and then you just have to select the option of add eSIM or add cellular plan. Then your device is going to search for the Cricket eSIM profile automatically, and you can follow the activation instructions which are provided by Cricket if prompted. If you are activating a new order, you can just simply come here on this particular URL, which is cricketwireless.com/activate. And over here, what you need to do is you need to simply enter your order number and the phone number. Then you need to simply just verify your account with the one-time code and complete the activation. So once it is completed, your eSIM profile will download to your phone automatically, and when it does, you just have to restart your phone if it is requested, and after it powers back on, you just have to check the Cricket network name, which will appear in the status bar, and then you can place a test call and enable the mobile data in order to confirm your eSIM is active. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.